Hi, welcome again. In last video we have seen about what is switch case and what are all those things right now. So in this video, it's up next for switch case. We have to see a while loop, for loop, and for each loop. Before we are going to see for each for loop or while loop, we will see array. What is array, and how we can use that array, because loop is depends on array. We have to use that array in it. If I go blindly to the for loop, means you can't understand anything. So let me clear is an array means it's a different from variable. If we are assigning int I is equal to 0, means we can assign only one. If we are assigning string is equal to 1, means it's a only one string is here. So array, it's a kind of thing we can set or we can add multiple items in the same data type. We can't add different data type. We can add only in the same data type. It's a kind of, if I am using if the data type is integer is there, so I can create int array. So in array syntax is you have to put the square bracket near to the array. So that's what array. So and after that you have to give some object's name, like number name, number array is equal to. So there is two way of creating array. You can create by new int. Okay, new int. The thing is you have to give fixed size 10. Otherwise, if you are not giving this size, mean you have to add the element over here. Okay, so this is a two option to create create an array. Either you can create I can show you. Either you can give a size, full size over here. Otherwise, you can add the entries directly into here. Otherwise, there is a one more way, is that you don't want to add this new. You can directly add like this. Okay, this is also an array. So array 1 doesn't have a value, so this is a value inside the array. So this is a count of an array. So array 1 is having the value. Number array is not having a value, but it is having a size. We have to add the value for this array. Okay, this is what array means. So array 2 is having directly the value. So this is for I just example of creating an integer. So if you want, you can create for string in the same pattern. Instead of int, you have to put this string, and here you have to enter everything in a double quotes. That's what the strings means. So in the same array concept, you have a 2-dimensional array and 3-dimensional array. Okay, let me show you how to enter array. First we will see here. Okay, we are entered the count of an array. So how we can insert a value to the count, which means number array of 10, right? So the array position will start from 0. Okay, so the point I am printing, the n is 0 is 4. I am giving the value as 4. This is what giving. So now in the array position 0 will be 4. Then the same thing, the position 1 will be 6. Okay, let's print and check the number array. To string, let's check it will be printed. It's not printing as to string. It's not, it won't be printed as to string. Okay, yeah. Okay, it's not printing as to string. So let me see number array 4. Okay, number array 4, sorry, position need to give is position 0. Let me check. The position 0 is 4. Just see here, it's 4 is printing, and we are entered 1 is 6, right? If we give 1 is, it's 1 is 6. So what if we gave the index which doesn't have a value. So for instance, I am giving 5, so if I press means it will be a 0. Okay, so this is what will happen. It's not a right thing. It is like the number we have to add up to the 10 position. That's like you have to add like this 2, 3, 4. It will help for you in many places. It's like it will help you in many positions, like you have to add in the future in some other places with for loop. We will see in this next video how to add with this which I value with this for loop, value for an array with for loop. Okay, so now see the array is printing like this is the array. So you can change the values, so it will be fixed in a particular position, it won't interchange. So this is what the array means. So we are inserting an array, and we can take by two methods. So we can take by position, or else you can hit whole and you can insert the array means this is like you can inserting. So what is the problem is, so now it is not a problem. So next thing is you have 2-dimensional array and 3-dimensional array. I think if you are studied in math, 10th max or 9th max, you have 10th grade, 12th grade max, we have a matrix. It's a 2 into 2 matrix, 3 into 3 matrix. That's what this is. 2x array and 3x array, 3-dimensional, 2-dimensional array. So this is 2-dimensional array. Okay, so this is I am entering the 2-dimensional array. Like we have to add like this. Okay, this is 2-dimensional array. 2-dimensional array means it will have two L and R. So this is this side, this is top side. So for here, just imagine 2-dimensional array is nothing but it's a matrix, 2 into 2 matrix, 2 into 2 matrix. This is L and R, left side and right side, first L and R. So you can take a value by how you can take a value means from here. For instance, in matrix, in max or matrix, you will take 1, 9. So how I will show the position of that one means we are saying this, right? This will come here by this. So this is left side. So this is left side. So the same value 3, not same value, that value 323, the next array list value will come like this: 7, 8, 9. So this will come. So the position of this is 0, 1, 2, 3. Position of this also 0, 1, 2, 3. So while taking, what we have to do, 2-dimensional array of 3 and 5. If I gave like this means here it will 3, 6 and 6, and here 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will add these two things and it will show to us. Let's check. Okay, out of boundary. I think there is no 4 or 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's check. Why? Where is that 2-dimensional array will have work like this array? Okay. One. I got it. Right. Point is, it is 1 means here the 4th position, 8. So if you want to, in the second line, first one means 0 comma 4, 0 comma now it will be the 7 will print. So sorry, it's a misunderstanding. It's long gap between using this two-dimensional and three-dimensional arrays. That's why it's taking long time for you. So this is two-dimensional array. It will print like this. You can print the two-dimensional array as like this. So you can see what is inside the array. What is inside the array and what are the things inside the array. Oh, like 0, 0. This is like it's having two arrays, so you have to print the two arrays separately. We are seeing only arrays, two-dimensional arrays, three-dimensional arrays, and we will check for loop, while loop, and for each loop in the next video. Thank you, and let me know in comments if it is any corrections or whatever it is. Thank you.